it's already late.
Kakin huan ki Nongsynshar Shnong na Block 1 kila Iakynduh yu Symbud Myntri Rangbah uba Preston Tinsong bat kila Iakynduh ka sorkar jala ban pentikna ban penpai pat ikilai pun riutli ki Shnong sharilum jaintia habakren ba kinong thok khubor u General Secretary kalabang nang phalut pangam Raliang Council uba Marcus M Thayang ulaong lai pun riutli ki Shnong penar bahapo ka Block 1 lapen bor ki banlong ka benta jong ka Karbi Anglong mikir ba kanot Kachar Hills house nem khat khandai spa san phuwei kini ki Shnong hakajing shisha ki hap hapo ka rilum jaintia kila kerpat yu ba Preston ban penti kena ban penhap biang ye kini ki Shnong hap baro hapo upur usam ka Meghalaya hakawat ka ba jong kajing penbet put hapdeng ka Meghalaya ber ka Assam hakajuk kapor ba Preston ulaong baka kenhuan kala pha ye kajing tho ka ba kerpat ka sarkar ban penti kena ba ki lai phun reutli ki Shnong penar ki ba hap hapo ka Block 1 on ben phai pat shaka Meghalaya
the headman and secretary of the. But now we came to meet our Deputy Chief Minister before they start the phase 2 survey for the settlement of the interstate boundary. According to the talk with the Deputy Chief Minister, so he strongly believes that the Command of Assam also will release all the Pnar villages to be back to Jaintia Hill district.
I already explained to them, okay, you wait till the constitution of the regional committee, and by then meeting will be called to all the stakeholders along with all the details, the documentation, this, that, whatever. So we will discuss that.
Ka project ban penyat iki school